Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. You know that recently, Afrobeat sensation and veteran musician Idris Abdulkareem, well known for his smash hit Nigeria Jaga Jaga, recently released another hit single titled Lokan, which was a perfect reflection of the state of Nigeria under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In one of the lines in that song, Idris wrote and sang that the state of the nation currently is worse than when it was Jaga Jaga. This music has been well received by a cross-section of Nigerians as a reflection of the state of the nation under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu since he took over on May 29, 2023. Of course, because that music is popular with Nigerians, it was not popular with the exponents of Lokan, those who support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, especially the All Progressive Congress, the party under each platform he ran for presidency in 2023. Now, one thing you cannot take away from Idris Abdulkareem is that he is one of the music legends of Nigeria. He was among those who paved the way for the current raves of the moment, like Burna Boy, Davido, Wizkid, Techno, Rema, Asheke, and what have you. He was among those that paved the way for them, because somebody has to do it before somebody did it. He was among the pioneers of Afrobeat. Whether you agree with it with me or not, it's a material, but he was there before many of those who are the raves of the moment, and he has seen it all in the music industry. Now, the APC apparently not happy with the music, and we don't expect them to be happy to hear that somebody is telling the truth about the state of the nation. So the APC, on their APC continuity page on Facebook, in a bid to mock Idris Abdulkareem. And of course, we all know that Idris Abdulkareem had some health challenges, which God brought him out of it successfully, which made him to be out of circulation musically for quite a while. So it is not unusual that when a musician or anybody who operates in the creative space, if you are not there as a result of health challenges, so many other people can take over, because how do they put it in physics? They say that nature abhors vacuum or so. Okay, something has to fill up the vacuum. So he was out of circulation for some time before he released this, and he has recovered and he has trying to get back to the business. Now, these people, the APC people, they therefore set out to mock him based on what they perceive to be the outcome of his latest outing, his latest creative product in the market. That's Lokan. And and they went ahead to write, which we are going to look at, because why they think that they want to mock Idris Abdulkareem, it backfired on them, because now they brought out, they want to tell Idris Abdulkareem that people didn't like the record and that his time has passed, that he is out of touch with the music industry and with Nigeria. But it backfired, and we're going to see how it backfired on them. And before I do that, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, this APC continuity page handlers, this is what they wrote about Idris Abdulkareem and his Lokan song. They say, and I'm quoting them now, Idris thought the music would be a hit like Nigeria Jaga Jaga of the 2000s. He has forgotten that several younger musicians have overtaken him. Music has evolved way beyond his Irebe. Who cares about his Lokan when people are vibing to Asake, Davido, Whiskey, Olamide, Portable, and many others? His thinking was that this song will revive his dead music career. Odule. That's the end of their quote. Idris' music career is not dead, going by the response from his latest release, Lokan. It is not dead. Now, if they think that people are not buying in or downloading the music or streaming it as fast as those he had made, or these people they identified, it is not because Nigerians are not enjoying the music or that they don't like it. It is because the Tinubu administration and the APC in general have weaponized poverty. They have impoverished Nigerians to the level that an average Nigerian is struggling to see what to eat. That they love the music, but they may not have the resources to buy it or to stream it, because to stream you have to pay. So not streaming it is not an indication that people does not like the music, or that they are not appreciative of the effort of Idris in bringing out to the public their reality, the reality they live every day from morning till night. And the response they got from that post must have sent them a message that they goofed, because it backfired on them. Because what is the essence of communication? The reason why you go to Facebook, you go to Twitter, you go to Facebook, you go to Twitter, you go to all these social media, they give you opportunity for a reply, for a feedback, is because communication is not a one-way traffic. It is a back and forth. Because when you communicate, you didn't get a response, the communication is not yet complete. So that is why you have opportunity for comments to be made about whatever you put out there. And these guys got a response that shocked them, if only they would admit it. Now, at the time of recording this video, that post by the APC has received about almost 4,000 likes and almost 8,000 comments, but approximately. But what I saw there were about 7.6K comments and 358 shares. But out of the 7.6K comments, which is approximately 8K comments, 8,000 comments, over 95% of the comments was against the APC. And we are all in support of Idris Abdulkareem, that they love the music, that he was telling the truth, that what he said, what he sang was a reflection of Nigeria today. He showed that the APC failed in their mission to mock Idris Abdulkareem or to diminish the impact of his music on the Nigerian people. That Lokan was not a failure as the APC want us to believe. It was a massive hit, appreciated by most Nigerians. It is a popular music. It's a trending music. And I thought I was the only one who observed it until I came across one Father Toby, who also observed what I saw. He commented on it, Father Toby. And what he said there was interesting. Father Toby wrote, he said, okay, by the time Father Toby dropped down his comments, it was the time that the thing had about 6,000 commentaries. So this is what Father Toby wrote. He said, over 6,700 comments, and I'm yet to see anyone agreeing with the poster nor attacking Idris. Nigerians are extraordinary. I love the vibes. This promo is massive. Let me go and view the video and share it quickly. I hope that the poster does not delete this post. It is good for the promo. We must learn a lesson. Indeed, Father Toby, we must learn a lesson. The lesson there is that you cannot win the people's heart by deceit. Idris Abdulkareem won the people's heart with that music. It was a reality of their life that he was singing about. Their reality, their living reality from morning till night. That's what Idris reflected on. That's what he wrote and sang about. And Nigerian people agreed with him and disagreed with these APC propagandists who want to spin it in a different way, but it backfired on them. There is nothing to fault Idris Abdulkareem in that music. Nothing, no line there you can dispute with. No single line. Is it the line where he was talking about that? Was talking about what the Igbos are saying about the hunger, what the Hausa are saying, what the Yoruba are saying. Those are reality. Those are the things that they were saying. Go and listen to the music. Go and watch the video, and you see that what he said is a reality of Nigeria today under the APC and Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, what is the takeaway from this? It is that the APC and their presidential candidate were disliked by Nigerians. And it confirms what I have been saying in this page, in this channel, that the All Progressive Congress can never win free and fair election in Nigeria. Not in 2023, not in 2027. The APC can never win a free and fair election in Nigeria. Mark my word. What happened to their page, the response they got in their page is what they will get if they are to conduct any election that is free and fair. The reason why you see that if you go to that, they have not taken it down, you see that most people were against APC, is that they cannot rig it. They cannot rig those comments. They cannot rig the numbers there because they don't have the control to rig it. They can only delete all those comments if they like, or even delete the page, which is their business. They can't rig it. But if it is an election with a compromise INEC, they can rig it and come up with any figure. But they cannot win free and fair election in Nigeria. If you are looking for another validation, there are several reasons to prove that APC cannot win free and fair election in Nigeria. Never. They didn't win it in 2023. They can't win it in 2027. They can't win free and fair election in Nigeria. That's mockery of Idris Abdulkareem that they did is a confirmation of that. It's part of the confirmation of that. So that is my take on this. And I think I have given them enough reason for them to know the reason why Nigerians may not be streaming Idris Abdulkareem as fast as they want. It is because APC has weaponized poverty. They have impoverished this nation. They have impoverished this nation. That many people, most Nigerians that love that music, may not be able to afford to stream it. Such a tragedy. But for the music itself, for the message, for everything about it, I can tell you for free, Nigerians endorsed it. And I expect, as you see this video, go on, search for Lokan on YouTube, watch it to an end as a sign of support to Idris Abdulkareem to prove the APC wrong, that Nigerians rejected that song. Go and watch it. You will enjoy it. It will make your day. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.